Whooping cough cases have more than quadrupled over the last year. North Dakota Health and Human Services spokespeople say 73 cases of whooping cough have already been reported this year. Last year there were 17. The people diagnosed with whooping cough range from infants to adults. 4 infants so far have been hospitalized. Immunization surveillance coordinator Danny Pinnock with Health and Human Services says with the cyclic nature of whooping cough, they expect peaks every 5 to 10 years, and now is when incidents are starting to increase.
The reason for that is because people's immunity will kind of fade. So while we vaccinate people against pertussis, we will sort of build up the number of people that don't have necessarily a full immune response to the vaccine. And as that number of people kind of collects in that 5 to 10 year period, then when you introduce that pertussis to that community, we'll see peaks of the disease.
Health spokespeople say that whooping cough is very contagious and can be passed on for several weeks. Early symptoms of it can include a runny or stuffy nose, low-grade fever, mild or occasional coughing, and struggling to breathe.